Welcome to Belly Heat. Today we're going to use my belly dance shuffle cards to pick a move, and then we're going to break it down. Hip lift and drop. Lift your hip and drop it. So let's start. So we get into our basic belly dance stance. Feet hip width apart, knees slightly bent, tailbone tucked, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and neck elongated. And then from this, we go up, down, up, down, up, down. So we're going straight up and straight down. Also, one thing to note is you can't use your knees, and also try to use this muscle. So when it goes up, tighten this muscle, and then when it goes down, release it. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Other side. Up, down. Hip lift, hip drop. Hip lift, hip drop, hip lift, hip drop. So with a hip lift and drop, we can also do hip lift when we accent the lift, that's hip lift, and then we can also accent it on the drop, hip drop. So let's lift for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Let's practice that. Lift, 2, 3, 4. Drop, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Lift, 2, 3, 4, and drop. 2, 3, 4. 2 on each side. Lift, 2. Lift, 2. Lift, 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 lift. Drop, 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 drop. Great job.